In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Visa gift card. So for those people who do not know, basically if you guys have a Visa gift card, you can use it normally without doing anything on like a offline store or by going to a store and purchasing something and using your Visa gift card. You don't have to do anything. Once you get it, you can use it immediately. But if you want to use it in online store, so basically you need to register it, alright? So basically by redeeming your Visa gift card means by registering it. Once you register it, you can use it in online store like Amazon and other places as well. So let me show you guys how you guys can register a Visa gift card. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's move on. First step, you want to search for Visa gift card register. Click on my gift Visa gift card over here. Once you're over here, it's going to take you to this website. Once you're over here, you want to click on this line over here and click on where it says register card. Once you click on it, it's going to scroll you a bit down. Now once you're over here, to register your card, enter your card number over here and then your card's expiration date and your card's 3-digit code, which is the CVV2 code, also known as CVV2 code to be honest. And then you want to click on register card. Once you do that, basically your Visa gift card will be registered and you're good to go, which means you can use it on any place, even in offline or in online. Alright, so hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on, and bye bye.